Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello guys, welcome to the DAR Education Project video tutorial series for the C# Windows Form programming, and in this session number 11 we are going to learn how to display the values in the text boxes when we select the value from the text combo box. So let's start our program, and in the last video we are creating this combo box and connect it with the database, and now I'm creating an interface and for this thing, and now we'll display the values from this combo box and retrieve the value from this combo box to the following text boxes. So first of all, just click on it, and you will get the select combo box name underscore selected index change. So first of all, we need to develop the following things here. We need to develop the connection string, and I am just copy the connection string here, and for those persons who did not watch the previous lectures, I am just starting it as string and connection string, and after that you will place the values. Just select the server explorer and click your database and select the connection string here. I am doing the same thing. Okay, now we need a query, a string, for example query, and here I will use select static from my table name student table, where now I place the condition here, where it means on which basis I want to select the data value, and that was the roll number, and where the roll number is equal to, and then place a single inverted comma and plus concatenation. Use the combo box roll number dot text here, combo box dot text, and after that plus concatenation double quote single inverted comma, and this will complete our query here. Now we will perform the same method here, string MySQL connection MySQL data, and for this thing I'm just starting it, MySQL connection, and SQL connection con is equal to new MySQL connection, and place the connection string. Yeah. Then we use MySQL command, and in MySQL command cmd is equal to use new MySQL command. Okay, and in this MySQL command we will place two things. First the query, and the second one is the connection. So I'm giving the con here. Okay, now we will need to provide a MySQL data reader, and data reader, dreader, whatever you need to assign. And in this try catch block, this is a exception handling. We will use try, and here we will use catch, and in this catch we will place the exception handling. Exception, maybe different types of exception is there. Message box dot show, message box dot show unable to retrieve the values due to, and here we will place the plus ex message here. Okay, in this D reader and first the try catch block, first of all we will open the connection dot open, and after that we will use D reader is equal to perform the same thing, and data reader cmd dot execute reader, cmd dot execute reader. Okay, now we will use a while loop here, a while loop, and d reader dot read method until we have the values, and here we will use to get the values one by one. String, for example s name, for example I think we change it, student name is equal to d reader dot get string, and in this we will place s name. This will be the name of our column name, and you can see that roll number, and this is the s name is here. Now I want to just check it out whether my queries are running or not. I'm placing this value in the text box. So this is the text box, and the property name of this text box is text box name. So one thing, remember that I try to program in a small chunks rather than to write the whole code. Text box name dot text property, and assign the value of student name here. Okay, now we will run this program. Okay, first click on the login. Still we are not making the login program. In the after few lectures we will create this, and go to the edit student record, and you will see this form, and when we select the one, then whether we got the result one set, and similarly if we select the second value, then you can see that it will change the name in the box. So now it's very easy to perform the things. So we go and get the other values on the basis of this thing. So the thing is string student father name, student father name is equal to d reader dot get string, and here place the s father name. I think this is the exact column name, s father name. You can see it that s father name is here. Okay, you can also see this thing, s father name. The next one is s address, s father name, string student address is equal to d reader dot get string. Be careful about the case sensitivity of C# programming languages, and string student phone number is equal to d reader dot get string, and s phone number. I think this is the right column name. Okay, s phone s phone is here, and the last one string student email address. Try to get the full name so that any other programmer can use the same thing, and it will be very useful to understand the code as email. Okay, I think we are done. Now we will place these values in the text boxes. Text box father name dot text is equal to student father name. Text box address dot text, sorry for that, student address. Text box phone number dot text is equal to student phone number. Text box email address dot text property and the student email address. Okay, we are almost done, and now run this program again. Okay, just click on the login, select the student record, okay, now we will select the first one, and you can see that the record was successfully retrieved from the database. Okay, thank you very much for watching this tutorial. In the next video we will learn how to update the record in the database. So please keep watching our tutorials and subscribe our channel. Thank you very much for watching. Allah Hafiz.